All right, it is PE Day. We're celebrating professional engineers everywhere and the professional engineering license. This license is something that can help you as an engineer to grow your career and put it on the fast track and really open up unlimited opportunities for you. I achieved my license at the very young age of 23 years old, and the reason I got it so young is because I made it a major priority for myself. I knew that I wasn't going to be able to advance through the ranks of the company that I was in or do some of the things that I wanted to do without that license. So I really got that experience and studied and did everything I could to get right out of the gate in my career. Now, that being said, it's a difficult process, right? You have to take two very long exams, the FE exam and the PE exam, to be able to get your license. So we've created two YouTube channels at EMI that are completely free and available for all those who want to get their engineering license, pass the FE exam and pass the PE exam. And we're very excited that they're out there and available for you. So please take advantage of them, or maybe you're a licensed engineer, share these free resources with your colleagues, and they can find them at our website, pepassport.com. That's pepassport.com. Please share them. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to allow some of our hosts of some of our podcasts, as well as some of the guests on our past podcasts, share a little bit about what the PE has meant to them in their careers.
Yeah, so I mean, the professional engineering license is really important. It's another credential. It's another level of education that is really critical in anybody's career. You know, just like a college education and professional engineering, the PMP, there's different credentials that are so critical to advance your career. And so I would encourage everybody that if you're able to do the professional engineering license, go after it. Really pursue that, make that happen, and I think you will benefit. You will greatly benefit in the long run.
So with the license, I'm able to stamp our shop drawings that we do. We're a design build contractor. We are in construction, but we're design build contractors. So a lot of our project managers have PE licenses. It doesn't necessarily let me do things on my own per se. Like I'm not just a one-man band here where I'm just stamping my own drawings and stuff. But I do think that it puts you in a community of professionals who are dedicated to the work that they do. Take the EIT when you graduate, because that's the hardest part about getting the whole PE. All those topics that you covered for 4 years, you're not going to ever remember any of the thermodynamic stuff when you're 35 years old. There's no way. And it gives you a basic understanding of the different disciplines of civil engineering that all have to play in together, because there's the survey component, there's structural, there's geotech, there's hydrology, all these topics that maybe you're not exposed to in your daily work, but they're all just as important as one another in projects.
Hi, I'm Matt Picardle, and I became a licensed professional engineer so I could make a bigger impact on the built environment. It's helped me improve my engineering designs, but it's also helped me better mentor and guide the next generation of engineers. And that's exciting because I think this is one of the most fulfilling careers that I think anyone can have, because you get to see your designs come to life in the built environment and you actually get to see it help people and the community. It's hard work, but it's work worth doing.
Yeah, so when I was at school in Nebraska, they drilled it into us pretty early and often that it was very important to not only go for your professional engineering license eventually, but primarily just to start with getting your fundamentals of engineering exam pass or a test passed early on, so your FE exam. And so I did that right out of school. I did it my senior year of college. And so I knew that was going to set me up for success in the future. When I started with Henderson, it was drilled into me pretty early and often as well that to get further in your career, to further in the industry of consulting engineering, going for your professional engineering license was also vitally important. So for me, day one, I knew that that was going to be my career path. That was going to be incentive for me to go after that, because I wanted to contribute to the success of the business, the success of the industry as well. And so 4 years in, right when I was qualified to take the exam, I went for it and got it, and I've been using it ever since.
Well, I hope that those messages inspire you. Once again, we want to just say congratulations to all of those out there who obtain their PE license. It's a huge accomplishment in one's career. It comes with a lot of responsibility, but it can open a lot of doors and really create a very fulfilling career for professional engineers. So with that, please consider pursuing your license. If you already have it, share some of the resources that I mentioned from PEPasspoint.com to help other engineers achieve their license and have a very fulfilling career. And if you want to grow your career and become an engineering leader, please consider subscribing to our channel here, because we do put out videos on a weekly basis to help engineers become better managers and leaders. I'll see you next week.